pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Happy February. I'm looking forward to this month. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I have an Ipsy welcome bag for you guys. Let me tell you why I got this. I had not gotten an Ipsy Glam bag until last month, a regular Glam bag, the $12 bag, in over a year. Probably since it was $10, because it was $10 at one point. And of course I signed up for the Glam Bag X like most of you, and that means it's replacing the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. So I went online, did another profile, and I got sent a Welcome Plus bag, and now this is my Welcome Ipsy bag. So it's not like any particular month, I don't think. It's just a Welcome to Ipsy bag. So here is the Glam Bag. It's $12. And it's got the card in it. It's got the products in here that's in the bag. And it also has the prices for the full-size items. So we have one full-size item in here. And it is the LaRouche Kabuki brush. And I used it already. See, I had filmed this video and then by accident I lost it. So I'm refilming it. But this was not included in the regular LaRouche brush sorry guys, set. And I do like it. It's a little neat kabuki brush. I mean, it's nifty, it's handy, and it's not a brush I already have. So I was kind of excited about that. It's telling me it has a value of $30. I'm a little iffy on that. But then I got the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which is a deluxe size sample, and it's a $25 product. I have used it. I do like it a lot. Then we've got the Fox Bay 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Hair Mask. It's another deluxe sample, and it doesn't really have too much of a scent, kind of like a fresh scent, but I haven't really opened it, so it might even be more potent. I'm not sure, but you can always use a leave-in hair mask, so I figured that'll work, right? Then we got the Gold Faded MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. This here is supposed to brighten up the eye area, so I'm kind of excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet. The full size would be $55. Wow. Okay, it did have a safety seal. I took it off, and it's just like a light moisturizer. I do hope it brightens the eye area because that would mean less concealer, right? And the last thing that's in this bag is a Violet Voss single eyeshadow in Bare It All. This can't be. Gold bronze shade, 24/7. The full size version would be $18. Here it is here. Bare It All. And actually that's kind of like the colors I have in my eyes today. Look at this. Super pretty. Definitely ready for spring. Look at that. Let's put it right here. Okay, so that's what I got in my Glam bag. I got the eyeshadow. I got the mascara. I got the leave-in conditioner. I got the Bright Eyes Gold Faded. And I'm just getting used to that brand, but apparently it's been out for a while. And then I got the Kabuki brush, the RL222 they call it, LaRouche, I guess you say it, LaRouche brush, in this bag. It all fits in there too. So what do you think of the Welcome Glam bag? I need your thoughts below, because before in the past you would just get, like, because I signed up at the end of January, you would have just got a January bag. But this here is not a January bag and it's not a February bag, but it's a welcome bag. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And I just want to take the time to say thank you so much for joining me for this video. I definitely want your thoughts on this. And have you signed up? Have you gotten the welcome bag? Let me know down in the comments below. I love you guys. I'll see you real soon in another video. Bye.